And I'm selling here for the past 12 years now. And this is about my 11th fire, 12th fire this. But I'm just trying to cope. You know, I'm just trying to cope. I will ask family members to assist me. And I have some good customers. They will come and assist me too. I'm just trying to pick up the pieces. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it changed. I don't know what happened. I just got a call that my business place is on fire. When I came this morning, this is the rebels. But I'm just trusting in the Lord, and you know, He will see me through, because this is not my first fire, and He has always seen me through. So I'm just hoping that He will see me soon. He will see me through. Because I have my bills and I have my expense. So
do you feel as if
I can't pinpoint and say it's deliberate. I can't. I have no clue. I don't hear nothing in the street. I have no idea. All I knew, I got a phone call this last night that my business place was on fire. I don't
you
know.
lost everything?
I lost one barrel of children clothes. Because actually I used to store in here, you know. But because fire keep hitting me real hard. So I just stopped store here and started to store up by the main. So I only lost one barrel of children's stuff. And I lost some 1 foot of shoe. These shoes, the balance of them are by my storeroom.
Good morning, Mr. Desmond Mackenzie. What are you gonna do for us? Selling downtown to maintain our children and our grandchildren. We need some help. Every year it's the same thing, burnout, 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 burnout. We are not squatters. We are paying $300 every day for market fee. And if we want to use the bathroom, we have to pay $50 to use the bathroom. What is the $300 for? We get no help from you people. Only promises. And they say promises are comfort to fools. So you people take us for fools. How can we live? We can't afford, we are not even on part program. Because so many people is on part and go for the money and they don't even get it. How we gonna live? We're gonna die for hungry. With children, our grandchildren gonna die for hungry too.
Well, this fire, this is a recurring decimal. It's not 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year. It's a regular thing. Regular ongoing thing. And we're fed up by it now. We're fed up by it now. This thing has to school your children. I used to work, but I am retired now. And so this is my little keep me going. And me tell you, say, trust me, I tell you, say, man, me can't take this no more. Me can't take this no more. See it right now, I pay me if you pay him to just clean up right so. Pay me if you pay him for clean up right so. Muslim me not more money done. See there? I just the two little dirt to take up, man. Oh, you be so with me. Me. So, I'm here to tell you, say, this thing here, school your children. A lot of university students leave us. Lawyers come from India, doctors come from India. So